Welcome back to our video series. We are going to look into the new TT. This time we're going to look into the MD Trader. So in order to get the MD Trader, you're going to click on Widgets. You're going to drop down, pull up the MD Trader. Let's pull that front and center. You're going to extend it to the full length of your screen. Now, in order to bring a market in, you're going to go to the bottom, hit the plus, pull up a new tab. You can either use the Market Explorer if you're not sure what the market is that you're looking for, or if you already know it, you can just type in ES, for example, for the E-mini S&P. We're going to go ahead and highlight that, and then you'll see the dome pops up with the ES market. Okay? You may want to look at more than one market on a dome. I'm going to show you how to do that. Again, hit the plus. In this case, we're watching the CL, okay, August crude. So now we've got a crude dome and we've got an ES dome. Okay, one of the things you want to set up your dome, right click on the dome, go to settings, and under settings, let's go to order type buttons. Click on order type buttons. You're going to go ahead and hit the plus. You're going to drop down, and just like the order types on the market grid on the dome, you'll see the same market, limit, stop market, stop limit, icebergs, OCOs, and so forth. These are the order types available to you. So we want to add more than one button. So I want to go market. I want to add the limit button. I want to add a stop market button. I want to add the OCO button. And the last thing I want to add is a TT bracket. Okay, so we've got those buttons in market, limit, stop market, OCO, TT brackets. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. I'm going to apply it to my dome, and then I'm going to save it. I want to make sure it sets up as global default so that any dome I pull up, any MD Trader will come up with those buttons on it. So hit save, and there you can see market, limit, stop, OCO, and my TT bracket. I'm going to right click here again. I want to show Epic. Okay, Epic, estimated place in queue. Okay, so it'll show you where you are in the line as you're trading, in the line of orders. So we want to show that. Also, we're going to right click, volume at price. We want to show the VAP. Okay, let's go back to that. We want to see the bars, and we want to see the values as well. Now notice that it's all kind of crammed in here, so you're going to go on the dome and take this arrow. If you just take your cursor and put it right there, you can actually stretch these columns out. So let's stretch this out. Then we're going to grab here, we're going to stretch that out. Okay, so there you go. Now we can see on the dome volume at price. Okay, so you have a clear picture now of thinner volume at a lower part of the range. Majority of the range was placed of the trades were done in here today. Okay, so now you get a clear picture of what's going on. Okay, again, right clicking on the dome, on the MD Trader, you can hide the Epic, you can hide the VAP, you can open a time and sales window from here as well. So we can click on that. Notice that you don't have to go into time and sales and add the E-mini S&P. It's already done for you. So a lot of people like to have that right next to their MD Trader. And then the other thing you can do too, again, right click, open a chart from here as well. And it opens up to the chart of the MD Trader, if you will. Okay? Alright, so I'm just putting this fitting into this space. Okay, And then let's drop this over here. Okay, perfect. All right, so that's how you use that, clicking back and forth. Now, the other thing I want you to notice is that look at the MD trader for the crude oil. Notice they're both in the same plane. Okay, so you want to make sure that that for that crude oil that you give that one the buttons as well. So let's jump over to the crude oil, and we're going to right click. We're going to go to settings, set order types, and we're going to add the same ones: market, limit, stop market, okay, we're going to drop in the OCO and the TT bracket. And click OK. Okay, so that's how you set up your order types. You're going to hit apply, save, and now it's there. Okay, so now when you switch back and forth, they both have it. Okay. All right, that's using the DOM. Okay, so you can access the chart, you can access the time and sales. Don't forget your order buttons. You can see your estimated place in the queue. Okay, you can hide that, or you can show the estimated place in queue. You can also show volume and price, and under the volume and price you can show all the values. Okay, so that one's for the crude, and this one's for the ES. Okay, if you have any questions about it, about the DOM or how to use it, we'll be more than happy to help you out. Give us a call, 1-800-560-1640, extension 1 for our help desk, or support at ampfutures.com, or visit our website, www.ampfutures.com, and click on the chat, and we have a 24-hour chat support. Thanks again for attending, and look forward to other videos highlighting the new TT Trader presented by Amp Futures.